Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a no reply email account with an automatic reply message to let people know that they will not receive a reply from you using or from this email account. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to emails. And this is the domain name that I want to use for this no reply email address. Click on mailboxes. You will see the created or the available email addresses that you linked with this domain name. And to create a no reply email address, simply click on this create a mailbox button. Here, fill in no reply, and it will be no reply at your domain name. Let's enter a new password. Click on create. Now let's go back to the mailboxes. You will see your no reply email address. Here, an important step to add to this email address is an automatic reply message to inform if anyone contacts this email address that you are not monitoring this email, this no reply email account or email inbox. So next to your no reply email address, click on these three dots and select create automatic reply. Here you can make sure to use the no reply email address here. Now fill in or write an automatic reply message. For this, I will get the help of ChatGPT. Write me a short automatic reply for my no reply email address. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Automatic reply, unmonitored, this is the subject line. For the start, I will go start immediately and never end. And this is the mail message. Hello, this is an automatic message. Please note that emails sent to no reply at Ben's tutorial are not monitored and will not receive a response. For support or inquiries, please contact us at support. For business inquiries, reach out at ben.com.builders. Thank you, Ben's tutorials team. This is a good automatic reply. Click on create. Contains unsupported characters. My bad. Hostinger does not support emojis, so I will use dots. Click on create. Your auto reply for no reply at Ben's tutorial has been created successfully. Now let's test this auto reply message. I will write a message from this inbox. Compose. I will write a message to no reply at benstutorial.com. Please help me. So I will click on send. Message sent. And here this message should arrive here, and an automatic reply should be received in my Gmail. Let's keep refreshing my Gmail. And let's check the spam folder. No, this is not my automatic reply. Let's go back to the inbox. First, let's log into my no reply email account. Click on webmail. This is my no reply email address inbox. As you see, I've received the please help me message, and now an automatic reply should arrive here. Let's keep refreshing. I think now it's been a minute or a minute and a half. I still didn't receive my automatic reply. Active auto. To make sure that your automatic reply is configuration is fine, just go back to Hostinger, go to mailboxes, and below no reply at your domain name, you should have an active auto reply message. Now click on auto reply to see that next to my no reply email address, I have an automatic reply that never stops or ends. Let's refresh this inbox. And it's been now 2 minutes and my automatic message still didn't arrive.